Alright, good morning everyone. We are here. It's like technically day 3, night 2 of our camping adventure here. I'm in the rocking chair on the porch and it's so lovely. And Bruno, I tied Bruno up so he could, yes, I know. He's not very happy about it. I just needed to do it while I ate real quick because otherwise he's trying to eat all my food. Bruno. There he is. He's trying to eat grass right now. Alright. Alright, you can kind of see the river now here. The sun is coming out earlier than it did yesterday. Thank goodness. It was so chilly yesterday. So there's a river right there. You can kind of see it every once in a while. Over here, and it's so lovely. Bruno's been roaming around like a big boy everywhere. And oh, there's the girlies coming out to play. They made a little nest. Yeah, it's just lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely here. All our tents. We had someone else join us yesterday from the family. It's like a big family reunion. It's so lovely. Yeah, here's all our tents. Hi, Bruno. Hello, hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. It's so great. Oh, yeah, and we had 2 more people come here. Here's her dog.
Just a tiny bite.
Whitney.
Good boy.
Cute. All these doggies. I think today we're going to maybe go look at some shops in the morning and then go to the beach.
I need to tell them.
Go to the beach once it warms up a little bit.
I need to tell them something.
Okay.
So with the Bruno, I got like a huge cake, and I said just a tiny bite, and he like
Oh my
put it
gosh.
on the floor. But later, yesterday, the first one I told you was today. Second one, that was yesterday. I got like this big of one, and I said tiny bite, and he like
Oh man, you're silly.
he ate it all.
Oh gosh. As you can see, Lucy loves wearing her same pajamas every day. And also, I did not bring any other pajamas, but she's okay with that, actually. Anyways, so today we might go to some little shops in the morning around town. Oh yeah, happy 4th of July. It is 4th of July today. And then, and probably after 4th of July for when you watch this. And yeah, we're going to go to some shops, and then once it warms up, we're going to go to the beach. And it's so lovely because the beach is basically like 7 minutes away from here, 7-minute drive. And you're driving all along the beach kind of anyways. Here are the doggies. I was just zooming around. It was so cute. And yeah, man, I just feel so blessed and thankful to be here, camping here, and having a place to go and do this. It's so lovely. And it's so fun seeing just like a bunch of, sorry, my morning hair. I have not brushed my hair yet this morning. It's so lovely just seeing a bunch of tents together and everyone kind of hanging out. I love doing stuff like that, and it reminds me of going to a festival or something, or like a little outing with your friends like that, which I haven't been able to do in a long time, and I love it. And my favorite festival, the Northwest String Summit, over in North Plains, Oregon, that ended in like 2022. So I have not had a festival to go to since then. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. And last night was really fun. The fireworks was fun. In Oregon, we can't have anything that flies up in the air, and anything that's like higher than 12 feet, I think, is considered illegal. So of course there were cops walking around, which I liked that they're trying to keep people safe, but then, yeah. Someone blew up like a big firework, like one that shoots up in the air and explodes, you know, like someone blew that up. Like, I think maybe that their tube fell, or maybe they didn't put it in a tube. And then it just blew up right in front of people. And I was like, oh gosh, that is so dangerous. Anyways, that ruined my mood about it, but it was beautiful anyways. Oh, hi. Hi. Where you going? Where you going? Trying to go inside? She's like, let me in. Anyways, that ruined my mood. But there was a lot of nice people down there otherwise. And it was fun. And it was a really good show. It was really long. But I have to say, coming from the Disneyland fireworks show to here, it's kind of funny. So there's nothing like watching some fireworks in front of the castle. But yeah, it was still fun. And it's so nice being with family. We had a really good spot to view it from. And yeah, I'm happy. I love it. And tonight we're going to see more fireworks over in another little town nearby. And what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to go to the beach, watch fireworks some more. Oh, we're going to have a barbecue again. We barbecued last night, but we'll have another for 4th of July. And yeah, it's going to be fun. Oh, man, I should show you our tent. Our tent's pretty good, though. We have a big air mattress, and that's been good. And I got a little more sleep last night than I did the other night, which is lovely. So I feel a little more awake. But my allergies are acting up, so I've been sneezing. Anyways, we're going to head out. Bye. Yeah, beautiful.
I come into the beach.
First beach trip. Whoop, 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 whoop. Hi, Lucy. We're going.
Go down.
All right, Bruno's sniffing all the spots here. Oh, I wonder what he's gonna do with the sand. I wonder how he's gonna do. I can't let him off leash. Well, one, because you're really not supposed to, but two, because he doesn't really listen when I call his name. So. All right, we are at the beach. We're in Waldport. We're at it's like Governor Patterson Park or something. And look who it is. We got the Brewster, first beach trip. This is his first time in the sand. The sand's a little high, so I'm trying to get him over to the wet sand. And if you haven't been to Oregon beaches, here's your chance to experience a little from me. And the beaches are usually a little chilly. Doesn't get much over 70, 80 degrees here at the highest. Sometimes we have, and sometimes it's pretty windy here. But right now it's actually perfect. There's a nice breeze keeping it like not too hot in the sun. And we're gonna go Take Bruno over to the water, see how he likes it. And Lucy and Summer are here are making sand castles. Hello.
Dude, there's little creatures.
Really?
Yeah, you caught fish.
What? You caught fish?
I caught a live one. Look at all the shadows.
Oh, I see those little things swimming around. Let's see. Whoa. Very cool. There's some little things swimming around. All right, you can see there are, come on, there's some birdies that were flying right above the water. I don't know. They look like they could be pelicans of some sort. I don't think they're seagulls. Bruno is not minding the sand. He hasn't really dug or anything like that. More just like sniffing everyone around. This is his first time in the sandy beach. We don't really go to the beach very often because it's just kind of like out of the way. And if we do go, we don't usually bring Bruno because we're going inside restaurants and shops and stuff. Bruno's first ocean. Bruno, you gonna get all? I don't want to get you too wet. Also, don't drink the water. Let's see if we can get wet. Oh, he's like, what is this? Let's see if he does it again. He's like, what is this? Normally he likes the water. But this is his first time in the ocean. He's like, I don't know why this water is coming up to me. Bruno, is that cool? Uh-oh. Bruno, how you like that water? Is it good? Woo, we are enjoying this. If you haven't been to Oregon beaches, they are so fun. And I'll turn this around. I'll show you the Waldport bridge, or maybe the bridge that goes into Newport. Same thing. And there's Lucy getting some water for their sandcastles. That's good. Good job. You're doing great. She's having so much fun. She's playing with her cousin the whole time. I haven't even talked to her much today. It's so weird. There's that. Pretty cool. You can see some mist coming in over here. That's pretty cool. Oregon beaches are just so special. There's something about them. You can see a boat off in the distance too. We think it's a fishing boat. Do some fishing off here. Some more doggies. Pretty sure basically all the beaches in Oregon are dog friendly. You don't have to worry about anything because Oregon beaches are so spread out and not very crowded usually. You have some crowded spots over in Seaside, which is in northern Oregon coast. We're kind of in the central going into southern part of the coast, so it's pretty cool. Not too shabby. Oh, are you letting all the fishies go? Are you letting all the fishies out? Or are you getting more? She didn't answer me. Okay. Bruno, try not to drink that too much. I don't know if that's good for you. All right, we're gonna go play and have some fun. Hello. Oh, Bruno.
There she goes.
Is your dog? Woo!
He's like, I want to chase you.
I know. He's like, where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. Come on, Bruno. Bald eagle. Oh, I should get that on camera. Now, where did he go? Can you see him? I'm just gonna aim him in that direction. The bald eagle is up here somewhere. Maybe you can see him, maybe you can't. I don't know. Okay, well, he flew away. But there was bald eagle. Oh, I'm having lots of fun. My cousin texted me about asking me if I wanted coffee, and I hope I got it to him on time. Like, yes, I need it. Sometimes you just need an espresso to fully wake you up, especially after being woken up by birds every morning. But that's okay. Bruno loves it. Oh, here comes the water. Here goes the water, Bruno. Bruno, don't drink it. Here's your doggy friend. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. All right, let me go sit and chill, watch the girls build sand castles, and have some relaxing time. Have some relaxing time by the beach. And it's not too crazy out here. It's so lovely, not packed at all. In fact, there's only maybe like I can count 1, 2, 3, like 3 or 4 other families other than us. Just within this like mile vicinity, like literally. It's like Oregon beaches are so spread out. It's lovely. Oh my gosh. I just love it. And hopefully my cousin got me that coffee. Wake me up a little. We're going to stay up late again tonight. We got back at like 11 yesterday, and then I got to sleep probably by midnight. Bruno, you doing good? What do you got to say? You like the beach? He says, yes, I do. I love it. I rough it. I rough it. All right, we'll see you. Come on, Bruno. Come on. Come on. Oh, watch out for holes. Oh, yeah, the sand's hot. Go sit down on our towels. Bruno, you good boy? Do you love it? You love it? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, that's all I can run. Oh, there's a cute pug over there. Oh.
Oh yeah, I love this area out here. This is so pretty.
It is.
I want to see a turtle.
Look at those birdies out there. Oh,
I know, what kind of birds are those?
I have no idea.
I think I saw some sea lions in here earlier.
Look at, see, some of these things are like, they're wild strawberries.
Oh.
There are some little wild strawberries here and there, but I don't know if these are in particular, but they look similar.
Oh,
I
cool.
know, there's these wild strawberries down here.
Yeah.
My mom's planted them.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this place looks a little newer.
Hey, Dad, let me get a photo.
Going down there.
Can I try it, please?
No.
Alright, you can go down and come up.
Pelicans over there.
Yeah.
The idea of going down
Going down trail. Careful, honey.
I don't popcorn.
Yeah, this isn't bad.
I love this right now.
Holy Spirit. Cool.
Oh yeah, I can go right here because this is sandy.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Good job.
Dad, ready? Pop.
Ooh, pretty.
The tide must come all the way up here, right?
Yeah.
This is a different kind of beach.
Yeah. All right. This is so pretty. We found a little trail by the houses that were parked out for Lucy, stay by me. That we are sat at for viewing the fireworks. So found a little trail to come down to the beach here. We're not gonna get very close to the waves, so we're safe, but the girls wanted to come see what's over here. And it's fun, so pretty. The sunset is beautiful so far. So beautiful.
Yo, I saw a fish.
Did you?
I saw a fish and a crab.
What?
Yeah, I saw a crab.
Oh my goodness.
Summer, I saw a crab in that lake. You guys, do you want to see the crab?
Yeah, we moved back a little bit because that ocean water is filling up that hole over there, and it looks like it's almost overflowing. Looks pretty darn cool though. Ooh, pretty. Hi, little birdie. Hey. Yeah. Look like you got any food? Yeah, there's two. I love watching this fill up and sink back down. It's so cool. Hey, Luce. It's so pretty, so pretty. Oh man, I was at the beach today, you know, and I got sunburn on my face and my scalp. For some reason, I did not bring a hat, like a sun hat. Don't know why, but you know, it is what it is. It's so beautiful over here. Oh man. I can't stress enough though to be careful. I'm a worrywart, but there's, you know, these oceans have swept people out, so be careful and be safe when you're doing it. Stay far enough from the ocean and stuff like that. But gotta enjoy it though. See if I can see. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Lucy. Lucy, say hi.
Hi, I'm watching them.
Oh, you're watching them?
Yeah. I'm watching if they get taken away by the
They're not going to be taken away.
Whee!
I just want to make sure there's the sunset. It's getting close. So beautiful. Ooh, so beautiful.
Like, I want to do that.
What are these like Dr. Seuss looking things here?
Oh,
My mom
yeah.
probably knows what these things
Maybe-
are called.
Oh, maybe they think it's fun.
Yeah. All right, we're walking back. Walk back to our spot. Look at that beautiful sunset. It went behind the marine layer over there, but so pretty. Man, the rest of the family really missed out.